Here we are. We're going to be making dishwasher tabs, homemade all the way. What you want is lemon juice. The IJ is a good brand. Any lemon juice. Baking soda. Everybody has that in the kitchen. Only thing I had to go and buy was the super washing soda from Arm & Hammered. That is something you definitely want to make sure you have lots of. Right now I use these kind of cups to measure with because it's easier for me to get everything out, and I don't have to worry about, you know, it washes out and you can use it again for food or whatnot. I have more than one set, so I have one for this and one for food. But I figured I'd let you know. If you don't, this is where you go. Here's my bowl. We need 1 cup of washing soda. I only have a half cup with me, so we'll be putting 2 of these in. And yeah, you'll get clumps, but that's alright. You know. Then we need a cup of baking soda. I like to put all my stuff, oops, gotta go get more, all my stuff in before, all the dry stuff in before we do the wet, because it will fizz. So I've mentioned on my website and stuff. There we go. And then the recipe calls for salt. I don't use that often, so I don't have it in the house, and it hasn't bothered it. So it's up to you if you want to use it. All depends on how much you're going to use, how fast. Now, this is why I say dry before wet, because it fizzes. Ouch. Then we mix it right up. Try to get all the clumps out. Mix it really well. And of course, make sure nobody eats this. It smells great, and kids think you're making something edible when you're not. You know, it's try to make sure you put it away so they don't eat it. I have a teenager that she'll put anything in her mouth. So don't think it's just a 2-year-old that'll do it. It's teenagers too. It's pretty good mix. And make sure you don't lick your fingers if you use your fingers in here. Then get ice cube trays, doesn't matter what kind. I like this one because it gives you the same amount, but it's a little bit smaller to fit into your dishwasher. So all you do is pack it in very well. And when you get everything packed in, then you freeze it until it's solid. I usually do it overnight, but you can do it within a couple hours. Pop them out, start using them. Put them into your dishwasher. and the holder, and 1 tablet per load. Been very good. There's some stuff that may not come up, but just wash it by hand, you know. Nothing's foolproof, not even the expensive stuff. I notice I still have issues with that stuff to get everything up. So this is how you make it. Just give you an idea. Have fun and save some money for your family.